Our next topic is services. Services are a daemon. In Linux, we also call them daemons. So services or daemon are background program that perform important tasks to keep your computer running smoothly. Not only in Linux, if I go to my window and type here services, so here you will see a lot of services are there, and normally we come here and we start the services. Some of them startup type as manual, some of them are automatic. Okay, and normally we change this one. If we click on this, so from here we can make them automatic, we can make manual, and we can disable. Also we can stop these services. Okay, so these are called services. These are the background programs. So the same thing are in Linux as well. These services normally start automatically during a system boot. So when you start your operating system, either Linux or Windows, so these will start automatically, and some of them you need to start them, and you need to provide them instruction to start every time, which we will see. And these services provide functionalities such as web services, file sharing, system monitoring, etc. Different services provide different functionality. So they can be managed by operating system and can be start, stop, or restart if we require them. As I say, we will see them. We can start these services, we can stop them, and even we can give them instruction to start automatically when the system restarted. What these services do? So these services help to ensure essential operation. These services provide essential operation. Now coming to Linux, nowadays in every Linux, every flavor of Linux, you will find the new service manager, which is called systemd. So systemd is like the traffic manager for your Linux system. And old days is what are different now. And every Linux you will find systemd most of the time. Now this systemd, they manage the processes, services, and resources. Systemd is a system and service manager for your Linux operating system. And the main task of this systemd is responsible for initializing the system and managing the services. So if I say systemd is a system and service manager for your Linux operating system, and it provides advanced feature for managing system services, processes, and resources. And by the way, each service is represented by a unit file, and the extension is normally you will see them .services, because there are many other units as well with different extension, but we are specifically talking about the services. So it means a systemd is a manager that manage, start, stop, restart the services in Linux and handle all these services. How they handle and how they can start, stop, restart these services, which we are talking about, that the services are available not only in Linux but also available in Windows, which you can start them, stop them, restart them. So this systemd provide a command which is called systemctl. CTL control, system control. Now this systemd provide command like a systemctl which interact with the services. So the services which we discussed, they use this systemctl, system control, this command to start, stop, restart, enable, disable, and reload the services using this systemctl command. However, this systemctl is provided by systemd. This is the main manager. But you can use the system D command, systemctl, system control command. And it is a command if you want to stop any services, if you want to start any services, you want to restart any services, and if you want that the services has to be enabled when the system restarted, or if it is want to disable them or reload. So you can use this systemctl. So keep in mind, for services we need to know the systemd, and systemd provide a systemctl command to start and stop these services. And window we just simply go to services, and normally we start and stop them from here. Suppose here, so we can start the services which is right now not started. Either if you click on any this one, so here you will find that manual, disable them, and also we have a start, stop, pause and resume the services. So the same thing can be done in Linux as well. So in next video we will use systemctl to start, stop, reload, enable, disable the services in Linux.